This makeover is one of the most extreme transformation I have achieved in an interior design project, and I will explain you exactly what we did in this attic to change not just the look of the space, but also the life of these owners. I can't start this project without showing you this amazing cardboard model that the owner himself made for me just the day before I came to the house to explain me what exactly they had in mind to do in this attic. The first thing we did was to get rid of the side walls, and that's how we gain a bunch of square meters. Then install 4 units of skylights, and then create a small but very functional toilet in the left gap under the ceiling. There we got a beautiful and bright space full of possibilities. The clients of this home are both business persons. They work at the office and at home indifferently. So the fundamental idea to execute this huge transformation was to set up an extra space in the house to work peacefully, but at the same time not disturb the rest of the family members. Being this a multi-level high house, another issue they were concerned is all the time that it's wasted going up or downstairs to the kitchen to grab a snack or to the bathroom. That's why in this level of the house they installed absolutely all they needed to have everything at hand and be just focused on work. The brightness that the skylights brings down to this place make this room really comfortable to work. Although we can control the amount of glow on the work table with the blinds already installed in the windows. This unique and multifunctional space works perfectly as an everyday office for the clients, but at the same time it's a space to relax, watch the TV with their kids, and even practice some meditation at the end of the day. The personality of this project is the real reflection of its owners, who knew exactly what they wanted from the very beginning. The unique thing they weren't sure about was if all these microspaces they wanted will work together in the same room. But once we finished visualizing all the 3Ds, all doubt faded so they could focus just on the renovation. The 3D design of this bathroom is not the definitive one, but it will keep the 3 pieces. On the other hand, the hydraulic tiles are the ones that were chosen to this bathroom. And before seeing the final reveal, let's appreciate all the hard work that any kind of renovation has to deal. Some problems and fears in case everything will go as expected. But hard work always pays off, and this is the proof of it. The final pictures were made by a professional photographer who has to do some yoga poses to make some of these beautiful pictures. I'm very happy this project could be completely finished by the end of 2019. At that time, none of us knew how important it was going to be to have a home office. If you are watching this video and you have a pending project but you are afraid to move forward, we are here to lend a hand. Just drop us an email with all the information and stay tuned because in few weeks your project may appear in one of our videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye!